Okay, Carla. Let's move to part 2. There are a pencil and a paper in front of you to write down your ideas in a minute. Describe something you own, which is very important to you.
Okay, guys. The examiner asks Carla to describe something which is important to her. May you tell us, Samir, how could you answer this question?
Okay, Mr. Medhat. In the speaking test, part 2, we will be asked to describe someone, something, or some places. To do that, we have 2 techniques. First one is to classify the answer into 3 parts: what answers, where answers, and why answers. What? Why? Where? Are very essential question words we use to answer this part in the first technique. The second technique is to vary and differentiate adjectives in my description to the thing, the place, or the person I had as an important value in my life. Adjective of people description as reliable, productive, skilled, unique, talented, team player, and so on. When we describe things or objects, we can talk about how they feel, look, smell, shape, size, and many others. We may use smart adjectives as boiling, hot, rough, smoky, square, stale, dull, cheesy, sharp, and so on. For places, we have to describe the location, numbers, size, amenities, and infrastructure. For example, we may use small, tiny, average, for size, or east, west, north, and south, for location, or highway, harbor, and train station, for infrastructure, or library, post office, and markets, for amenities, or attractive, crowded, old, modern, and safe, for description, or even using numbers of population, of schools, of museums, and of monuments. That's all for now, Mr. Medhat.
Fabulous and tremendous answer. You have to know, guys, that your time of answer should last and continue to 2 or 3 minutes. Let's see Carla's answer.
Yes, one of the most important thing I have is my piano, because I like playing the piano. I got it from my parents to my 12th birthday, so I have it for about 9 years, and the reason why it is important for me is that I can go into another world when I'm playing piano. I forget what's around me, and even my problems, and of course, this is sometimes quite good for a few minutes. Or I can play to relax or just, yes to relax and think of something completely different. Oh. Great. Thank you. Would it be easy to replace this piano?
Okay, what else do you know about part 2 in the speaking test, Samir?
Thanks again for choosing me to answer this question, Mr. Medhat. When we illustrate this thing, place, or person we have as an important to us, the examiner will ask us 1 or 2 questions related to the description point. Most of these 2 questions are about changing this thing, place, or person. Or about others' point of views about my favorite thing, place or person.
Amazing, really, good answer. Let's see Carla's answer to this question.
Yes, I think it wouldn't be that big problem, but I like my piano as it is, because I have it from my parents. It is some kind unique for me.